I heard it's really hard to crack the back glass on this. It only shattered a little down here. So we're gonna try to break the back glass of it. Ooh. Oh, jeez.
I'm ready to put it in the mailbox.
That broke it. Wait. Can't really see because I can't get my stupid iPhone 6 to focus. You can kind of see that. Yep, we broke it.
Jared, put it in the mailbox.
iPhone 5 versus Dart. Now we're gonna throw the dart at the back glass of the phone. Oh!
This isn't really fair to the
Hashtag
iPhone.
Bendgate.
Not really fair to the iPhone 5.
Oh, jeez.
That good?
Yeah. That is a squashed iPhone. It's more than squashed. Oh, here goes the screen. It bends. Stab it. Yeah. The mirror is handling this pretty well.